How's it going, traders? Steve Gorniak here from gtradenow.com. I hope you guys are profitable and well. As always, I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. Today, guys, in this video is another small account challenge video. Judging by the last video, you guys really are seeming to enjoy these. So here's another one for you. Today, guys, my account is now $520. We had another green day, up $140 today. And the account is overall sitting 300% up, right? So you can't complain. Today I only took 3 trades, guys. I maximized. Max contracts, I think at one point I had 3 contracts, and that was just me sizing in to get my cost basis down. And of course, a couple contracts came off a little too early, kind of lost some time. I had a little bit of time left as far as expiration goes, so I didn't fully maximize. But overall, guys, $140, on 3 trades on a small account, you can't beat it. So in this video, guys, you're going to see those trades. You're going to see the spreadsheets. You're going to hear me talk about my plan in the trade. And one of the trades, my audio did cut off, so I apologize in advance for that. But if you guys like these kind of videos, please like this video. Leave me a comment down below. And I hope you enjoy. And I hope you guys all take care. And most importantly, trade safe. Everybody, I apologize in advance for the video, or the first trade. For some reason my audio wasn't recording. In that trade, you saw me take a sell on euro 1.1794. I was able to get after commissions was about 31.50 on that one. That trade lasted about a half hour or so. I did not add, as I'm starting my day. I like to take it slow, not force anything, not risk too much. Right now, what I'm doing now is I'm in a short again on euro. I shorted this red line here, 1.1796. I'm also thinking about getting a strike near this 118 level. That may be play in the future there. So that's kind of what I'm watching. As this trade unfolds, as you can see, my account is now over 400, and hopefully this trade we can maximize and get some good profits here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pause, and I'll bring you guys back in. Kind of what I'm looking at here right now, guys, on my charts. Again, I'm looking to short euro above this area here, with intentions of this market coming back into this green zone here. On a smaller time frame, you can kind of really see that every time it's come in so far, it's pushed out. So I'm looking right now, euro seems to me pretty extended. As you can see, the last trade I took, this is where we came into, and then it got bought back up, and we're kind of back into this zone here. So I'm anticipating a push back down, so as we're making these lower highs here, that is what I'm looking at. My stops is going to be up at this level. If we go up over here, I think euro is completely going to change trend. It's going to be bullish. So that's the level I'm really watching. So that's kind of my plan. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, reach out, ask questions. Here, right at this failure right here. So I was able to add. I didn't get my average down. I wish at one point it got up to like 53 or something like that. I should have added there, but I was hesitant. So yeah, I didn't get the ad. But as you can see, it's kind of dropping now, which is nice, and below 906, which we just broke. It was a nice bear flag. So, this thing can potentially run back down here. I like to see this probably about the 8-7 level, where I'm gonna probably start to. Alright, I'm sure you guys just saw, I wanted to take some profit there. This trade is getting a little close to expiration here. So I wanted to make sure I locked in some green there. That trade, honestly, it wasn't the best in my eyes. I think I could have picked a better strike. Yeah, definitely probably could have found a better strike. Didn't get quite the movement. It did give me a chance to get an additional contract in there, but as you can see now I'm just going to take it all, because now to me actually it's dropping. So let's see if we can get it down to, there it goes. I think I'm just gonna take the money, guys. Still dropping. And as you can see, our account is now up to 462. Alright guys, so I'm back in Euro again. This is gonna be my third and final trade of the day. Today's gonna be a lighter day. I actually have some stuff I need to do. But what I'm doing is I'm selling 1.1790 here by 3 p.m. Looking at the chart, just try to show you guys what I'm doing. And I apologize in advance, guys. A couple of these, my audio cut out, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear what I was saying. But I'm shorting this red line. This was used in my last trade. This was support. We now broke, turning support into resistance. And that is what made me place the trade. That is kind of my goal with the trade. I do anticipate, and I do think we can get down and retest these lows here. So this is going to be the area I'm watching for. Here, I'm hoping that we can get a nice little pop, nice and easy, fast. Hopefully we can get this account to 500 today. And that would be ideal, considering we started with 110 and we had a nice $158 day yesterday. And if we could do that again today, that would be a nice continuous growth. Consistency is what you need when you're trading, especially a small account. You need to, one, track your trades. You need to show that you're consistently getting profitable trades, consistently taking money out of the market. And when you're on an account this size, don't worry too much about getting expirations. Worry about taking money from the market. Less than 1% of people can actually take money from the market. All right, so if you're getting profit, that's half the battle, and compounding these accounts is how you're going to grow. Okay, so you know, even though if you take $15 here and there, $15 adds up over time, right? And then the only thing that's different from this size account that I'm trading right now from a bigger account is the amount of contracts I'm taking, okay? Now, I did take one to start. I entered again at this last pop here, and I got my average to 44.75, all right? So, that's kind of how I'm playing this. If I don't get the best entry, I don't want to chase, but at the same time, if I'm confident by the way the chart looks, I'm going to go ahead and add. Now what my strike is looking like, it's turning into support. I did average my cost down, so I should be okay here. But again, this is how I trade. I have a plan, and if you don't have a plan and you don't know what you're doing, email me. Go to my website. This stuff that I'm doing, and the people that work with me and the people that are in part of our team, supply and demand. Now this looks like a big cluster of stuff because I haven't deleted the old stuff. I mean, we really don't need it. But you can see, I'll pull up a different one. You can see on there, like these zones on a smaller time frame, like these zones are mapped. We know where the seller should come in. right? And if you look over here, if I make this bigger, like I knew, that's what I was telling you, 9.3 was my stop, right? And I knew this potentially could sell off right here, so I added, and we did sell off, and now we're below our strike, and now I'm just gonna kind of baby walk this, and if I'm right, by the way I do my charts, we should come right back to this 87 level right here, and if we break and come down to this 86.9, I can look to hold. And if we break this 86.9, guys, there's a solid chance that we're gonna come touch this low here, and we're gonna pull back into this daily level. All right, now that is how I do it. That is my plan. I've mapped it out for you. If you would like to learn how to do this, this is all inside of my hourly course. I have my supply and demand strategy. I have my moving averages strategy. I have my comparison strategy. All of that is inside my hourly course, guys. If you're not good on technical analysis, get inside the hourly course. Join our VIP program, and I promise you, you're gonna learn a lot. Alright guys, so that is it. I'm gonna stop. That trade actually was a roller coaster ride, and I managed it poorly. I got a phone call, had to be away from my computer. The trade ended up working in my favor. You saw it dip at the end there. My account is now 520. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the spreadsheet so you guys can see this, and we'll get back. Alright guys, so I want to bring you guys into my spreadsheet right now. What you see on my Nadex account now, my available balance is 520 and 50 cents. Today we started, let me pull up the spreadsheet so you guys can see. Today we started at $380. So from 380 to 520 today. Another green day, which is awesome, especially in a small account. So far I've only had one red day. But you can see 63.55. That was my red day. It was only $9. Yesterday we had 158, and today I only took 3 trades on this account. And see, just like that, 3 trades, guys. That's still an extra $140 of money that I did not have in this account. So overall, guys, my account is now up 373% from the start. Again, you saw my trades. I guess I apologize in advance for the audio. Some of that may have gotten cut off, but you can see them here. Every position I took. All right, and that's gonna do it for me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. Let me know by hitting the like button so I can get a gauge of this is something that you guys are interested in. I still am going to. I'm really considering doing another one side by side with the 5-minute binaries. If that's something you want to see too, put that in the comments. Let me know. Other than that, I hope you guys all are profitable today. Take care. Trade safe.